Have you ever driven across a massive bridge and wondered, how on earth was this thing built? What you're about to see will blow your mind, the incredible process behind how a bridge comes to life. It doesn't start over the water, it starts right here, in a factory so big it could fit a small town inside. Every morning, the sound of metal fills the air, sparks fly, machines hum, and workers begin crafting what will soon carry thousands of lives every single day. Each piece of steel is measured to perfection, not a single centimeter off. Because one wrong cut here could mean a lifetime of difference out there. The process begins with raw steel, long, cold, lifeless bars that are about to be transformed into something extraordinary. Huge cutting machines slice through them with laser precision. It's not just work, it's art in motion. Then comes the welding, where fire meets metal. It's beautiful and dangerous all at once, as molten sparks light up the factory like tiny fireworks. Workers stand side by side, faces hidden behind masks, hands steady, hearts focused. This isn't just their job, it's their legacy. Each weld joins not just steel, but stories of connection, of progress, of people being brought closer together. Next, powerful machines bend and shape the beams, slowly, carefully, because even the smallest curve must be exact. Every angle, every edge matters. Engineers walk the factory floor with blueprints in hand, constantly studying designs and adjusting details. They are the architects of balance and strength, the unseen guardians of our daily commute. Once the pieces are fully formed, they're moved onto massive rigs for a rigorous inspection. Every bolt, every joint, every single weld is tested again and again. Nothing leaves this place unverified. Giant overhead cranes then lift the completed sections. These pieces are heavy enough to crush anything beneath them, yet they're handled with such delicate precision it feels almost graceful. It's truly breathtaking to watch thousands of tons of steel suspended mid-air, moving as if they were weightless. Outside, the sun glints on the finished frames. They look simple now, but each one is a masterpiece of engineering, designed to endure decades of storms and constant strain. Soon, these massive parts will leave the factory. Loaded onto specialized trucks, they'll begin their long journey to the construction site, where the real magic happens and the bridge truly takes shape. The workers watch as the trucks roll away, their faces calm but filled with pride. They know what they built today will stand for generations to come. And as the factory finally quiets down for the night, only the gentle hum of cooling metal remains. It's the sound of creation resting, just for a moment, before the next day's work begins. The journey continues. After weeks of precision and planning, the massive steel frames finally arrive at the construction site, a place where raw vision becomes reality. The ground shakes as trucks roll in, carrying tons of carefully crafted steel. Each piece has a name, a position, and a purpose. Nothing here is random. Cranes tower above the skyline, their hooks swinging gracefully in the morning sun. Every move is guided by human hands, steady, focused, unshaken. Down below, workers prepare the foundation. This is where strength begins, deep beneath the earth, where no one ever sees, but everyone depends. Massive concrete pillars are poured, cured, and reinforced. These will hold everything. The bridge will only be as strong as what lies below. Then, the first beam rises, slowly, carefully. It's a moment of silence, every eye fixed on it, every heart holding its breath. The steel swings through the air, guided by ropes and radios, aligning perfectly with its mark. When it locks in, a cheer echoes across the site. That sound, metal meeting metal, it's more than a connection. It's progress being born. From there, the rhythm begins. One piece after another, section by section. The bridge grows strong, elegant, unstoppable. Up close, you see chaos. But step back, and you see harmony. Every worker, every machine, moving like a well-rehearsed orchestra. Day turns to night, yet the work doesn't stop. Floodlights cut through the darkness as welders continue shaping dreams under the stars. Concrete decks are poured across the steel skeleton, layer by layer, giving the bridge its backbone. The air smells of dust, sweat, and determination. High above, cables are drawn tight, linking both ends together. Each one tested for strength, precision, and balance. The wind howls, the structure stands. The bridge is no longer just steel and concrete, it's alive now. Rain comes, but the workers don't stop. They've come too far. They're not just building a bridge, they're building a symbol. Weeks pass, the final segment is lifted into place. The entire site watches in silence as the last connection is made. The bridge stands complete, an iron giant stretching across land and water, connecting what was once divided. As the sun rises, vehicles cross it for the first time. People honk, wave, and smile. Something great has been created, and everyone can feel it. From the factory to the river, from sparks to structure, this is the amazing bridge construction process. A masterpiece built by hands that believed it was possible. Every bolt, every weld, every inch tells a story not of machines, but of humans with vision, unity, and strength. And somewhere, in another factory, the next project has already begun. Because progress never sleeps, it only builds.